What's up guys, welcome back to my video, and today it is a big day and it is my cousin's 11th birthday and we are going to MOA, but first we're going to Quiapo Church and after that we're going to ice skating. So stand by for that and hope you enjoy watching. So I'll be right back once we are in our destination. So I'll be right back. Oh my god, it's dark.
Ikaw magpayo ka mag-usap
Si daddy mo tapos mo.
Wait.
Oo, sige,
It is raining.
papayungan ko
Yeah.
sila. Mamaya ka na mag-vlog, tahin, umuulan. Babasa yung cellphone ko.
Nakapayo
Ito sa'yo
ako.
lang. Ah!
Mama!
Ano daw?
Mama!
Itong kulit ka rin mo na yan. Oh,
Kanina ako mag-isa dyan.
papayungan ko nga siya eh. Ano na pa yung dala? Papayungan sila? Akin na. Iyan, wait! Payungan mo ako.
Go, lakad. Lakad.
Kumapit daw.
Yes.
Ano ba yun? Bakit ba si Mami?
Mami naman kasi. It is raining and there's a storm. What a good day, Yahoo! Albi.
Ano?
Hi, ma. I am wearing my favorite shoes, my stuff, everything that I like to wear.
Dito ka sa akin, anak.
Si tata. Nakasaw ng payo mo siya. Sabi yung NRT dahil ayaw mo mag-grab. Oh. I will do anything, just not grab.
Wala naman na eh. Papayo ka.
Meron pa. Meron ng bon ma.
Oh, magpayo ka.
Oh my god, that's a strong wind. I need to hold this with 2 hands.
Ito ka kayo. Pasok. Kirino, Edsa.
Ha? Oh, Edsa.
But it is kind of clearing. The sky is not. Here is the birthday boy. Hello.
Hindi pwede umuulan pa mamaya.
Mamaya sasakay.
Okay, I will be right back. We're
Ito,
waiting.
maingay oh.
So we have finally made it to our destination. MOA. Mall of Asia in the EDSA. Saan?
Tara mo. Dito. Ay, ito. Elevator.
Won't you look with me? Tell me what to see. Here is the elevator. Where? Up? Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga e-trick mo.
Baka doon sila binap.
Saan?
Kabila. Paano ko napapatawa ko sa
Yes, I am now vlogging. Ayan.
Hello.
Hello.
Andito, ano kami tawag ito? Elevator pa ito, hindi pa yun. Wala tawag ito. Dito tayo dito. Andito na kami sa taas eh.
We are now on the second floor.
May dep store. Taas ng dep store. Sa kayo? Doon sa kabila nga kayo. Ito kami, bumaba eh. Bukod sa may pakto.
There are 2 malls in this station. There are 2 malls. Over.
Dito kami sa taas kasi tumawid. Dahil wala tabi na sa baba. Dito kami dito. Malapit sa may yan ang sa dulo. Ha?
I am using my new tripod that I just bought yesterday. So I can turn my camera really easy now. It's not hard to hold my phone anymore.
Naku, hindi mo sa kabila. Dito kami sa kabila eh. Saglit na tayo sa gitna magkita, pasok na kayo sa loob.
We just went to a train,
Sa MOA.
took a
Sa
van,
loob na ba?
and took a tricycle and came here. We're here at the Mall of Asia.
Dito kami sa may dep store.
I hope you enjoyed my video because it's been a long time since I do my video.
Watson, nasa Watson.
But somehow I'm going to tour. Oh my god! Somehow I'm going to tour you into the Mall of Asia, and this is going downwards, and over there it's going upwards. So it's kind of an optical illusion thing. Oh. So you better watch your step, or else you'll fall. We are now going to meet at the middle section. I don't know where. Okay. Here is the entrance. Wow. This is really cool. And we're going to ice skating today, which is a new season. Yay, we're going to do some more things. We're going to go ice skating, we're going to eat some foods, we're going to explore this whole place. Because there's 2 places in here. There are 2 malls in this Mall of Asia. So it's kind of hard getting to find one of your families. But we're going to try to find them and we're going to meet in the middle. So you'll see in this video. Understand? ECCB Mall. Ma, nakasakay ba ako dyan? Alam ko, one time nakasakay ako dyan eh. Watch your step. KFC, Jollibee, that's it. So much stuff in here. Where? Saan? Where? Nice music. Hello.
Dapat mo, nakatabing yung paa mo. Dito yung paa mo, sasakit paa mo niya.
On the train, it was so noisy, and I think there was an Indian guy on there. 2 Indian, 1 female Indian, 1 male Indian, and 2 kids. I don't know what age and I don't know what gender it is. But I think they're Indians because they have one of those things that they...
Jacket ka, gusto mo?
Sure.
Ha? Lamig, no?
Sakto naman, pero gusto ko suotin yung jacket para pamporma. Can I wear it? I wanna wear it.
Nice.
Oh, there they are. Papaw. Hello.
Hello.
Say hi, Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Ah, si Ryan. Yehey! Malamig nga. Karen, malamig. Ay, opo. Malamig talaga dito. Cutie!
Ma, you need to push him.
Cutie! Karen! Sure mo naman kami pamilya. Tama ka, tama tayo nga. Kami nga eh. Kaya nga yun, talagang yung cellphone. Halika din. Kayo mo ng tatlo. At tayo yan, di ba na?
It's not looking that it's moving fast, but it is moving fast.
Teka, usap ka.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Saan?
Saan tayo? Ah, dito? Dito na. Dito na yun? Ate ka kay ate. Ay, nice. Smile ka kay ate.
Okay, say smile.
Bago mo naman to.
Okay,
Yeah?
let's go.
Patingin da. Ay, oh, fish na. Wow. Hindi mo kasi tinatawag eh. Tingin. Ay, ang ganda. Nakanikilas kasi yung laki ko na. O tayo, sama ka naman. We're family.
Wait, Papa, wait.
Kaya, nagugutom na kami ni Mama. Ano?
We are taking pictures.
Bakit?
Picture.
Ito, hindi kumain ka naman.
Not pretty much floors as the SM San Lazaro,
Wow, what's that?
but this is a big place, much bigger than SM San Lazaro, but not that much floor than SM San Lazaro.
Hindi, mamaya.
There were 4 floors and a lower ground which made it 5 floors. We're going to find a place where to eat now because we haven't eaten yet.
Karen, huwag mo tatagsikiyan ha. Hindi siya pumasok. Oo. Ako. Pumasok na ako kanina. Dad. Tay. Buti pwede yun. Advance ito. Tay ko siya. Ay, sa prop ko din naman. Hindi siya. Dito Jollibee
Where?
Greenwich. Kanin?
Kala ko ba ano?
Kahit mga burger price
Oh.
na, BK na lang.
Ah, Burger King, yes, BK.
Layo dito yun eh.
My favorite restaurant.
Gusto mo din food. Na kayo?
Kuya, snack lang muna.
BK.
Where in the world is BK?
Sa labas na tayo. Ayun, halika na.
Okay, let's go.
Ate! Ready na mag-vaccine. Ba't nga matapang PE ka? Ha? Matapang PE ka. Awa. Ang ganda nung ano na. Magkano ka yan? Ate, ano yan? Nag-vlog ka?
Yes.
Papa, punta ko dyan po pag dito ko padaan. Dapat po, kakawa ko dito kasi gano'n.
Iya.
I'm here.
Tumapo ako ka ng 22 lang. Ay, sinuka ang mawag mo kasi ito. Hindi na masyado sa nila.
Cetaphil. Ma, di ba dati meron akong ganyan? Cetaphil. We are going to Burger King, my favorite restaurant. Pa?
Luwa.
Ano yung dual video to?
Oh!
Oh, ang galing ah. Walang ganito yan te. Ang galing. Anong cellphone po yan ta? Ay, Poco. Maganda yung ganyan ah.
Hello guys. Ang Burger King na dito lang.
We go out and we go here.
Saan daw? Kabila.
Where is it? Is it somewhere in here? Chili's. Oh, it's cold in there.
Focus mo na
Burger King, where are you? Where are you? Burger King, where are you?
Sabi ni Tata, tatawag ko na pinubig ko
Burger King, Burger King, my favorite place, Burger King. Bakit, ma? Ma? Mama? Mama? Ma? Bakit? Oh, what is that? Elves. Where in the world is this BK? Whoa. That's a tank. Where? Oh, there it is. There's the lovely Burger King. There's the Burger King. Flaming Grill since 1954. Burger.
Saan yung ice skating doon?
Finally, Burger King. After a long walk. Okay, let's find a seat to eat. Here. Okay, let's sit here. No other place. But here to sit.
Opo ka muna dyan.
Okay. Fix my camera. I will be right back. Wait, I need to fix my camera. There we go. Tripod's on. Channel. We are waiting. They look like Boy Scouts. Boy Scouts from the schools. High school and school. Oh, wait, let me fix settings. Stuff. Wait.
Bang, kayo po po mag-ice cream?
Ikaw lang.
I think it's way too high. There. I hope you can see me. So they are ordering food, so I will be right back once the food is here. Okay, I'll be right back.
Ay, no, hindi. Katuloy nga. Ano yung second eh?
Pero kailan
Kung yung may water mo magagal. Ay, na ilalagay mo siya. Ano ba? Ano ba?
Tanigin.
Ha? Lamin?
Hindi, tapos na ako kain.
Naabangan. Abangan.
Kaya kumakain pa ako. Later.
Dali.
Ha?
Alcohol po.
We are now packing up and getting ready to leave and going for ice skates. Let's go!
Iyan tingin ko.
Ah, wait, it's in my mouth.
Magdala ka. Eh, kala ko may dala ka, hindi ako. Binugan pa yan. Binugan.
Mamaya pasara.
Tulog sila kanina pa rin. Lagay mo sa harap ng ano, mag. Hindi na makita na roller pa. Sayang isa.
The design of the year. Wow. May balik na lalo. Okay, let's go. Saan yung ice skates to? Saan yun? Din Tai Fung. A Chinese restaurant. Now we just gotta wait for them. So there's one, and there's going to be another one over there. Ah, there, it's coming. Yahoo!
Ano po, yun na naman. Tabi-tabi? Halika na, lalabas pa tayo.
It's October 2, and it is almost Christmas. It is bare months now, and there's October, November, December. Mama, 2 months na lang, Pasko na. Yep, there's 2 months, and it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy early Christmas. But
Sinabi niyo kay Mami na dito na tayo?
Why are they taking so long?
Okay lang. Okay lang, sir.
Wala pa sila mga.
Oh, here they come.
Kasi sa akin yung dapat. Ay ka daw, mami. Hi, mami. Hi, Rafa. Oh, andito ako. Wala. Hindi ako nakita, tangi. Nakapagluto na ba siya? Nakapagluto ka na ba?
Wow, that's a big soccer ball. Thank you, BK, for letting us eat and for filling my tummy. Hello. Exit po. Ah,
Yung army niya.
Ito may pwede. Sige. Saan medyo?
okay, dito daw.
Ito tayo daan.
Alang may ilaw.
Ito. Ito na binubuksan, maliwanag naman. My body can handle the temperature.
Jacket na jacket. Karen. Ito bang ito? Ang init pa ng temperature. Ito, ito dalawa.
Sweet. You use the jacket.
Ah, hindi jacket mo. Sige. Tapos gusto mo, nakakano ka lang ha?
Hindi kami nilalamig siya, nag-jacket siya.
Tanga, ikaw nga kung di ka nag-blazer, loko lang.
Nigas ka na.
Wala. Alam mo, eh. Ganyan. Ayaw niya. Awakan mo si Kian.
Alam na lang kasi yun.
Ay, dun sa loob, jacket pag-jacket. Mamaya mag-jacket.
Ah, sige na nga, ubus mo lang daw.
Wow! A gigantic dog and bunny! Wow. Look at that.
Sa likod. Ay,
Ano yun? Ang ano? Parang siyang ano?
kaya nga.
May kita natin yung sa taas mamaya.
Tara, saan tayo?
Ice skating nga.
Saan nga?
Saan? Say hi, ma.
Ginaw. Hi!
No. Where?
Ang sakit ko pating nga. Sinan ko na.
Saan daw?
Okay, we going to cross again. Waiting. Cross.
High five! Wait lang!
May laman pa yung bibig niya, oh. Okay, let's go.
Hindi nagbabasa, oh.
Tumatawa pa eh. Hi guys!
Afternoon, ma'am.
Wow! Anto ma?
Each one.
Ha? Each one nor a Bill spear. Volkswagen Bill. Nagka-transform. Wow. My little brother is walking now. He's not on the stroller anymore.
Kakahinan mo pa yung ano ng VIP. Ah, kulang na rin.
Tayo, bro!
Where?
Ay, mo ba dyan? Kaya mag-escape ka ba? Mamaya na makaw. Kaya mo? Huwag na.
Meron pang training.
Kaya para matry niya? Kaya mo.
Ma!
Oras na lang tayo.
Pwede lang. Ito ma'am sa Mall of Asia. Baka interesado kayo ma'am. Kasi ma'am dito sa Mall of Asia ma'am, sobrang location. Yung gagawin sa business ma'am, pwede mo sa Airbnb. Tapos ay mag-airplane ma'am. Pwede naman may contact mo. Thank you po ma'am.
Si Mama. Where is my mother? Ay, Diyos ko, nasa na kayo?
Para pag uwi na dito sa ano,
Ma! Ma! Halika na! Halika na, Ma! Andun na sila, oh!
Ay, tara na.
Naghihintay sila, Ma.
Kuya, o tara na. Dali, o babalik tayo.
Halika na, balik tayo, balik tayo.
Ha?
Halika na, halika na, halika na, halika na, halika na.
Ate, na magsa-cellphone tayo doon. Tara.
Watch ka, watch, watch.
Wala tayong cellphone lang.
Kasi hinayaan mo siya mapunta dito, May. Andun na sila, oh, naghihintay.
Kala ko nakasunod ko yun. Sige, May. Sunod ka na. Ay,
Hindi mo naman alam kung nasan yun, May.
Ay, skating lang. Dyan lang sa kabila. Ay, si ate. Bahala ka dyan. Bye-bye.
Bala ka dyan.
Gusto na dyan, iba. Bye, Pao. Bye-bye.
Bala ka dyan. Finally, after minutes. After minutes and minutes and minutes and minutes.
sulit ko dapat na ako.
Medyo nakatakbo na ako pala.
Elevator lang pala. Kala ko nakabukas na yung pinto.
Oo, number 1. Very good.
Kala ko nakabukas na yung pinto. Pala, nakasarap pala.
Sa taas na ngayon. Ha? May boxing rin, Mars.
Mike Tyson!
Hindi ba? Yan. Lagyan mo na sa pinsa likod.
Lang, ang sakit na ng balikat ko. Huwag mo kong hatakin, maalikot ng camera.
Pag ganyan, naka-stack mo na dapat. Stack mo mo, ipopost mo. Wala mo din.
Sir. We can fit. Come on.
Ice cream.
Cash na to. Sanay ako sa LR. Siksikin ko kayo. Nahirapan ako pag yung malaking bag dala. Ayaw niyo musag ah. Oo, sa akin dati siksikan talaga. Third lang. Anong third lang?
Ayan, third level. Ice cream.
Sa taas na.
Okay, you go first. And I'll come second.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ate.
Bye-bye.
Pera ko soup po. Ay, pera ko soup po. Ay, ko. Doon na punta.
Where? San? Ay,
Milag. Oh. Bakit? Ikaw nga. Baka mo nga na yung baka mag... Oo.
1, 2, 3. Kabila. Yan.
Mana pindot, baka biglang bumagsak ha.
Yung mga mapipibot ba?
Hindi, alisin yung bag kasi sobrang bigat po nakatabingin kayo.
saan niya ice skating ka?
Dito.
Dito daw, dito.
Si Brian ka na sa stroller. Uwak daw ka.
Si Bral nasa stroller.
Dito ba doon?
I don't know.
Dito. Pag ano? Ay, dito ka na sa na to. Ito yung memo.
Let's check.
Stick.
Not here. Not here. Oh, here?
Okay, pag nasubsub ka, tatawanan ka lang nila ka. Walk ka, walk. Taba.
Dito, Pao, dito. Sa likod niya. Sige, maya siya magkakada. Sa likod niya ako. Where is this ice skating at? Ooh, Christmas season. White Christmas, red Christmas, rainbow Christmas. I don't know what Christmas that is. We are at the top floor now. There's an alphabet. like a mini arcade, but with lots of claw machines, I think. Oh, I think they found it. Maybe not, maybe yes. I don't know, but I think they found it. Where? Pao, tita Pao.
Sige dito, ganun na po. Wow. Sige dito, man. Thank you, mama.
Halika na.
Ay, hindi.
Dito, dito,
Ayan
dito.
sila, may iniwan na tayo.
Ang layo na tayo, ma.
Dito, ma.
Ma!
Wag lang.
Oh, is that it? Oh, that's a big playground. Cosmic Kids. Looks like we can't find the ice skate,
Di ba nakapunta to si Shelo?
so I don't know where we're going. Either we're going here or we're still going to try to find the ice skate place. But I hope we just go here. Ito na naman si Mama. Ayun oh. Ma!
Pwede service.
Ma! Oh, laser arena. Is it like a laser type plaza? No, that's a shooting arena. What is that? Oh, okay, here it is. Here it is. Ice skating. That's a big place. Wow. stuff.
Doon naman, ayun o.
Hindi ka pwede ba mag-pag sa
Wala rin, hindi minutes na lang kabayo sir sa ano po, 5 to 7 po.
Ano yun? Wala, wag ka
5 to 7 po.
1 hour and 10
1 hour
minutes.
10 minutes na lang po. Wala. Same pa rin yung rate ng babayaran po natin.
Tapos 1 hour lang.
May batch kasi tayo nag-start na siya ng 5.
Ano oras?
Kung gusto niyo mamantay niyo po yung 1 hour natin mamaya. 7:15 po.
Nag 2 hours 50, pero ang available na lang 5:30.
Yung sakop natin sa
1 na 1
1 hour na pero babayaran.
yung 1 hour kasi
Ay, okay. Ng ano mami?
Okay, I'll be right back. 7.
Ha?
Size 7 ako.
5 ako.
Di ba kailangan perfect size?
5 na tayo.
Wait lang. Tabi niyan, tabi niyan.
Wait lang. Pili mo yung malaking size ko. 5 wala ako.
Oh.
5.5 ako. Uy, ang laki na. 5.5 ako. Malaki bro.
Baka 4 ka lang.
5 na 5. 5. Basta na.
6.5.
7. Ah. Wala kang medya. Ah, meron ka.
7.
7, tsaka anong size?
5.
7. Ako ah. Okay, let's go.
Wait lang, magme-medyas muna ako.
Okay. Ay, basa!
Basa ka eh. Ano?
Ah.
Ikaw? Well, paano to, Brian?
Ay, baka hindi kasi kayo
I'll be back. Ice skating. Opo.
Signature na lang po yung sir dapat. Pangalan mo po is Garden. Ma'am, kung wala po magbabantay sa lobby area, lahat po ng mga sapatos ng papasok, iwanan na lang po sa labas. Din lahat po magsuot ng helmet. Yun na po safety.
May additional pa dito sa loob.
Ha?
Additional pa.
100 na. Saka siya para po makapasok.
Oo, meron. Ito lang. Okay ba?
Kasi na po na dati.
Wala na.
Okay, let's go. We are in.
Bahala na.
Ma'am,
O, doon tayo maganda.
Ano ba?
Diyan na. May additional allowance. Sino mag-picture doon? Bayong. Oh!
Kasi bakit kaya nila pinaglalaroan yan? Ma!
Bye-bye. Oh, baka motor. Aray yung isa. Tayo, babaw. Galingan mo, babe. Kaya mo, ha? Uy, mag-jacket ka. Wala ka muna. Ay, ba naman yung bag mo na yung bag? Iyan, o. Jam na pagsubok.
No!
Okay, yan. Tapos may ipis pa. Oh, no, ito may ipis. Si daddy hindi pinagpagod.
Ay, susuot pa?
Ay, may nakarating siya ng MOA. Oh, di
Susuot
suot yan.
pa?
Oo, di suot yan.
Sige, tipawak ako.
Ate, si Papa. Hoy, andito.
Ayun po, nagaganap ang pagsusot ng jacket kay Tungtung Sahur. Dahil siya ayaw mag-ice
Di ba
skating.
na ikaw bumagsak mo yan to, ah?
Alam mo, mamaya ako ang hawak-hawak nilang dalawa.
Mama, ako marunong na ako.
Kasi nga ikaw yung iceberg namin.
Di ba, ate, yung gusto ticket ni Mami ang ganito.
Siya na pala yung nakatsadsad. Ayun na. Teka, di ba yung straw?
Ate, si Papa, di yung straw.
Teka lang, hawakan mo yan. Si Cutie na pala yung nakatsadsad.
Okay na, ma.
Sandali, sara mo to, Gagi.
Ma'am, baka hindi naman ako makahinga.
Hindi, parang tanga OA mo. Meron color bear, ako gagamit.
Hindi na nila kailangan to. Yung collar pen.
Tanggalin lang shoes, hanapin ng size.
Okay.
Hanapin yung size.
Hanapin ng size. Size ano ko?
Malaki. Marimanan natin to. Sapatos mo.
It's kind of easy to balance, but...
Teka, bibigyan ka niya ng ano ng bear.
Lang.
Sana pala sa lawana. Sige. Yupo.
Give it to me. Walk. Let me sit.
Gusto yung oras niyo.
Wait lang, sa harap ako po. Sa harap ako. Sa harap ka, Tikiti. Sa harap kita.
Lakas ng tama yung dalawa. Oh, go! Try, luhusog mo. Oh, go.
Hawakan mo ko, ah.
Ibuka mo yung paa mo. Sige. Opo.
Oh, wait lang. Hawakan mo. Hindi hawakan ko. Hawakan mo ko.
Sige.
Wait lang. Ayun. I don't wanna be here anymore. Stand me up. Gege, lakad tayo.
Asa si Brian?
Ewan ko.
Bigat mo kaya, hindi ka matulog.
Ayun nga.
Di ba, hindi ka na nakalis?
Maglalakad na lang tayo.
Ano?
Wait lang, ito ka natamayo. Tayo mo ako, tikiti. Tayo mo ako. Wait. Ganda na yun. Balik ka dun ah, balik ka dun. Bumili pa ako. Ayun, sige na. Dun ka oh. Help me. Baba ka tayo. Baka na. Ewan ko kay Brian. Bigat! Oh my God! Ang bigat, ayoko na. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Ayoko. Walk. It is really hard doing ice skates. I don't want to do ice skates anymore. Hello. I'm just a beginner. Oh, I do so hard. I'm just walking. I don't wanna do it. Iwan ko dyan kay Frank. This was not worth it. Pinag-hour na madami. Turn around. Hello.
Hindi niya matulak. Ayaw niya. Madulas. Ay. Ha?
Ah, tulak mo to.
Teka lang, antay mo si ate.
Ikaw umupo, Kwiti, para tutulak ka niya. Alalayan mo siya. Ayun na ganun kay Brelo. Kian, hawakan mo kasi yung tenga, yung tenga. Yan. Oh. Nak, i-balance mo lang, hawak mo yung gaganon na. Dito ka na sa gilid ka lang.
Okay, so we are done doing ice skating. It was kind of fun. It was super slippery. And I was scared. But it was fun. Now everybody's going out now.
Maipit ka.
We are going now to the top to see all the view.
Go, tulak.
Sino ba si Mama?
Oh, push. Rapa.
Si Mama.
Bag mo. Wala na naman yung isa.
Bye ice skating. See you on the next thing that we will see again.
Yan.
Ano yan?
Ha?
Ano yan, ma?
Baka dinamit.
Sa loob yan.
Mama.
No, 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 no.
Mga statue tayo sa ano?
Ha? Magsulat na.
Akit na nga tayo doon. Akit na tayo doon.
Okay, let's go.
Oo. Best taas.
Ano ka na?
Ay, doon na!
Hello. Labas.
Pasakay dito.
Wala nang ligo masyado. Uy, ay,
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let's go, let's go.
Ihip mo na ako. Hindi ako uwi. Pau! Wait no, wala pa si May. Hi! Kitty, baka mo to. Cutie, ikaw humawak dito, baka di makontrol yan. Taka? Hindi ganyan gago. Sabi mo gusto kong bumalik.
Here we go. Whoa. Oh, soccer field. Ang laki na soccer field oh.
Dito ba?
Wow. Oh my God.
Dito? Basketball doon. Naiiyak.
That's soccer.
Oh, airplane.
Wow. Airplane. Whoa, that crane is moving. Can you see it? The one with the lights.
Sa kabila pa. Dito. Doon tayo dito. Dito na yun eh.
This is so cool. A little football field or soccer field. That is so cool.
Dito ata.
Soccer. Soccer yan, natin yung football. Saan ba? Doon daw. Dito.
Ooh.
May playground po doon nanay eh. Bas gusto mo doon umakyat sa playground.
Tingnan ko kung makakakita
Free lang
ko.
yun.
Ewan ko.
Mati ba po? Bata na po. Playground.
Yeah, but my school ends at 4. We can just leave immediately after school.
They're Americans, I think. Run. Christmas tree. Oh, that's a big ball. Oh, nice. Ah, wait. Dapat ito. It is now nighttime. Ah, you know. Wait. Hello. Ayun, binaligtad ko na siya para may ilaw. Sana makikita niya, may ilaw. Pati ako. Ano yung solar panels? Ay, kala ko solar panels po yan to. Di ba hindi? Salamin. There's the playground. Diyan.
Playground na pinuntahan natin. Nababa lang.
Ano dito?
Orange sky.
Ay, kala ko yung pinuntahan natin nakaraan. Ah!
Ito lang ang sabi niya.
Kaya pala walang tao. Kinali ka na. Ito mo.
Mag.
Diba to? Saan ba yung pinuntahan niyo doon? Doon tayo. Oo, hanap na tayo.
It's so cool. It's nice and quiet. We're in a high place. I think that's a playground, but that's not a playground. We thought that was a playground, but that was not really a playground. Oh, look at that. It looks like we're looking at the moon. It's a big big ball stuck. It looks like an asteroid that is stuck right in the mall or landed right in the mall. And look at that view. We're about to view the whole stuff in here. Oh, there's the Ferris wheel. Wow, this is really cool. It's just an amazing view. But I am scared of heights, so I don't know if I can look properly. Oh, some people are jogging here. But I don't think this is the right... Oh, so they are jogging here. I think it's like a park. It's like a Luneta Park at the Rizal Park. So... Ooh, look at that. How many fountain?
Airplane, no? Nako. Kuya,
Ooh, it has lights.
airplane. Wala na.
Hawakan mo to.
Those lights on the soccer field is so bright. Okay, so now we're going down.
Kumapit ka niya.
Mama ka saan? Mama ka. Masapa dito mo.
Ma, swimming tayo. Nakahawa ka.
Dito ba yun? Opo. Dito. Ay, hindi. Oh, bilis. Go jump. Go jump. Ay!
Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, we got it. We saved it. I have my flashlight on.
Ano, Brian? Ate, dali, may dala.
Oh, I remember the Elski. The Elski resort. Ooh, pattern by pattern. Pat by pat. What is this? Is it like a slide down? Oh, that's another staircase down. But they shut it down. I don't know why. Ooh, Minecraft block.
Also, we could touch grass. We could touch grass. Outside.
Ooh, what a view. These are Minecraft blocks. The grass blocks that I usually get. What is this? Year of the Tiger. Oh, it looks like a seer. What? We just turned around. What in the world? We were up there, now we went down, and you guys walk back inside. Oh my god. I don't know. Oh. Okay, we're back inside again. Look at these glass, bro. Whoa. Claw machines. Okay, we're going out now. See you later, mall. Sure, maybe not yet.
Doon pa tayo. Yan, dalawa.
Wow, Moa Sky. Whoa. Go, ma.
Oh, what's that sound?
Okay, it is raining now. It's kind of raining now. So we're going back inside.
Ma, sakay na. Kami mag-LRT lang.
Sakay mo na dito. Pa. Halika na dito. Pa.
Ay, hindi. Halika na.
Mary.
Uwi na tayo. Come on.
We are going to go home, but we're just planning to buy a Dunkin' Donuts. That is what we are going to buy. And after that, we are gonna go home.
Sakay ka na.
Because there is still food at home.
Dito dito ako mama dito.
May ate. May ate. Takbo ba tayo? Pwede. Ganito. Yan. Yan yan. Hi!
Watch your step.
Pangat ko kirain pa ganun pare pakatuma. Huliting naman ganun ko.
You're gonna go more down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Better watch your step. Dunkin' Donut. Dunkin' Donut, where are you?
Una, halika na. Upo. Upo. Sakay na, sakay. Ate, sakay daw. Pauwi na lang. Karen.
Para ilaw.
Pauwi na lang.
Dito na eh.
Gag, mahirapan kami. Eh kayo, kasi kayo, pwede nakagrab kayo eh. Balik ka na, time yung
So we are going to buy cake. So we're going to buy cake and Dunkin' Donuts. Poland Tulips Classic 7. Oh my god, it almost fell on my face. Oh, I thought that was a cross of Jesus Christ. Ma! I don't know what restaurant we're going first. Either it's Dunkin' Donuts or Goldilocks.
diretso yung paa mo. Ganda-rin lang. Paa mo diretso. Sabay ka magtala. Sabi mo, hindi ka napapagod pa. Meron ka namang ilimin na kaya. Sakit na?
Alin?
Paa mo?
God is showing us the way. I don't know what restaurant, but she's showing the way. He showed the way. Oh, we're back here again. The dogs. Dogs and bunnies. And I think we went that way. Oh yes, we went that way. We did not go this way yet. Ano yan?
Ito ang bag ko. I-string mo pa. Kumakagal. Tapos may bag.
Meron ka namang ano para sa tamang pag.
Alin?
Yung vitamin D complex, may para sa tamang. Andy ko.
Ano ba ba? Dunkin o ano?
Dunkin ba mo?
Asan ba yun?
Ewan ko.
Doon pa?
Fries. Saan daw?
party kami.
Party? Saan?
Sa school.
Kailan?
17. Ma'am Nancy is planning to have a send-off party para sa Albuak athletes natin on October 17. Including mass. Sana
Okay, we
po
found it.
makasama kayo. Tapos kumbaga, parang or may gagawin na sayaw. Parang ano yun, sa UAP. Parang welcome yung mga players.
Finally, Dunkin' Donuts, we have found it. I just wanna sit down, relax, and edit the video. Okay, I have to wait now. Ah,
Kakakain na lang kayo sa Mediosa. Ano ka na?
o kami kayo mag-grab kami.
Yung cake nito, saan ka bibili?
Doon na, sa Kings.
Sa may beauty na.
Sa Kings.
Sa ano? Ay ka na. Hindi ka na mo yata dito na.
Kayo muna.
Sa kayo ba?
Ay, yung ano namin.
Eh, bukas na. Bukas na. Halika na, halika na. Kaya pa ako. Ano ba yun?
Ano ba?
Finally, a seat. Or something else. Okay, a seat. Okay, I'm right back. We are now going home and I can film the outside because there was snatchers, so I'll see you back at home. We have made it home and that was a fun day. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.